Wow. Hello, Balua. You know, it's not every day you get to see a totally hidden city that nobody else has seen for centuries.
Apart from Asov.
Apart from Assad.
And a few of his men.
And a few of his men.
You ready?
You just totally crushed that moment. You know that, right? Yeah, I'm ready.
What do we get in?
Dunno. Looks like dwellings along the side. So let's go up.
Consultant has all of us running around in circles. This is not a fool. If the Americans lunch, he'll make it. It's an insult. A Westerner knows nothing we don't. Seems to know what she's doing. She's not even the halfway.
They saw us! Down! Sniper!
Learn your place. Tell me what you find. Out there. Down over here. I want them found. Now! I will cover you. We got them!
Christ.
We cannot win! Put them down! I'll back you up!
I don't think they see us.
will follow you.
All clear. Now to find a way out of here.
Right. Back to it. Ah, let's see where this goes.
Out here again.
Must be a way into the city somewhere. Whoa!
Up there.
Guess Asav couldn't find an entrance, so he made his own. You'd think Asav would have more respect for this place.
Assault me.
It's a shame, in a way, that Ballur's hidden from the world.
Now we know why. There's another god.
I'm guessing it's one of the Hoysala kings.
How many kings did they have in their day?
11. The young king was the last in their line.
Well, his plan worked. Saved his city from the Persians.
There we go. Up this way.
Just keeps getting more and more spectacular.
And in case there was any doubt this was Ballur, Lord Shiva.
Plus Nandi. And I'm guessing that's Ganesh. At least before he got his elephant's head.
Could be. Might also be Kartikeya, Shiva's elder son. He's the Hindu god of war.
Sounds like they chose different paths.
They're trying to slow us down.
Yeah.
In here, Nadine. Blah. Tastes great.
Hurry up! We need to catch up to the others.
I see him.
Huh?
Dead men switch.
It's a big city. There must be another way through.
What is this place? A bath?
Or a well. Possibly both.
Look up. We're in some kind of cenote.
Huh, look there. The queen and her handmaidens. Maybe these were the royal bards.
Some statues of women for a change.
is this?
What is it?
Ancient Kannad script. Looks like stanzas. Could be poetry.
This place a library?
Seems so.
Looks like a drum.
It is a drum.
They keep all sorts of things in here. Fraser, over here.
Whoa.
Look at this.
It's incredible. It's an altar of some kind.
Looks like the king suffered dearly for their people.
They weren't just protecting the tusk. Historians believe that it was a symbol of power and dominance, but I reckon they misunderstood. It was a symbol of their people, their culture. It was a symbol of them.
Wait, so what are these?
My dad was here. Something big, all right. Why didn't that stupid bastard tell me?
You said it yourself. He wanted to keep you safe.
I can't let Asav get that tusk.
No. No, we can't.
Thank you.
Thank me after we get out of this alive.
Fair point.
Don't forget Ganesh.
Oh. Glad I brought this. Through here. Magnificent.
All this grandeur, hidden away from the world.
But how do we get over there? Come on. It's deep enough. Okay. That's our way back in.
Copy that. Thanks for going first, eh?
You're welcome.
Hey, you all right?
Sorry, I just need to get my head back in the game and I'll... Hey! Nadine Ross! Oh my god. What the hell?
Your head back in the game now?
Oh, smarter!
Ready?
I've got my eye on you. Kind of a tight squeeze here. Oh, hello. Nice city you've got here. Oh, the whole place is flooded. Okay, easy does it.
Now,
What?
got water in my ears.
I hate that.
I wouldn't give her a towel. My God, are you seeing this?
You know, at this point, I've run out of words.
Holy goddamn shit.
Let's work.
What on earth is this place?
The throne room, place to hide a magnificent bejeweled tusk.
Let's hope so. I see stairs going up. But their mercenaries broken.
I'll have to find another way up. Shit, I just realized something.
I think I know what it is.
That we're gonna need that disc soon.
Exactly.
Well, not much we can do until we find a salve.
Or until he finds us.
Over here, Nadine.
Copy that.
Ah, now we're getting somewhere.
I see a few more of those cranks around the chamber.
I'll give this a spin.
Hand is moving.
Be more specific.
Right hand. Lower right hand. Maybe it's because this statue's enormous. But I just now noticed Shiva's got a king cobra for a necklace.
That's Vasuki, a king of the Nagas. Entities that take the form of the king cobra. It shows his control over fear and death.
Cobras were always my favorite snake.
Don't think I have a favorite snake.
Okay, now what?
Well, there's got to be more to this. Just need to figure out what it is. Ah! There's another crank up ahead. Whoa! Okay.
Did you see that?
I'm standing right here!
That's crazy!
I know! No going back now. Oh no! Oh no! 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 No!
Hang on!
Oh, good suggestion. Ah, that was a close one. Nearly destroyed my pants. Wow, I can see my house from here. Oh. Wow, that's cool. I did. I'll be right down. Ah! Ah! Slippery! Yeah.
Nicely done.
Thank you.
There are handholds on the other side of those windows.
Cool. Aha! Here we go. Okay, I've got this one. Bringing down Shiva's drum. Uh-oh. This one's like the trident. Time to move. Come on, jump to the drum.
Thought it was an hourglass.
It's an hourglass-shaped drum. Oh shit, here we go.
Hang on!
And now we turn the water on for this side. And here we go. Now we've got water running down both sides.
Look,
Oh, shall we?
Is that it?
We'll find out in a moment.
That sounds promising.
Yeah. Third eye of Shiva. The light is shining on that statue across the way.
Guess we're not done.
When the Hoysala want to protect something, they don't do it halfway. Come on. Now, what's all this then? Ah, here we go.
The thing it's holding. It's visible. That looks right.
Yeah. Now, we tend to the other two. Huh. The light's hitting the statue, but nothing's happening.
Look up. The statue's not in the right place.
Ah, right. Nadine, be a dear.
Way ahead of you.
Got it. Okay, can you be a statue again?
Careful. That ledge doesn't look sturdy.
Copy that. Okay, that did something.
So I can put this down?
No, wait for it.
What's happening? I can't see from over here.
Just hold still for just a sec. All this water, it's a cleansing ritual.
What's happening?
Oh, you can put down the mirror now.
Shit! They found us! Get ready!
Sit!
Get up here!
Good, not enough. Go!
Sorry for that. Get away now.
Got them!
Come on.
Well, now that was quite the fall. You had me worried. Come, it's time for a reunion. He wouldn't give you up, despite my efforts to persuade him.
Sam! Jesus.
Hey, you made it.
Dude.
It's all right. He is like a girl.
Is that right? How about we get these cuffs off and I'll show you how girls hit.
The hell is she doing here?
You said find help, I gotta help.
Yeah.
I must admit, you are quite the schemer. First you steal my disc, then you have your expert run me around in circles, huh? That's clever. Perhaps there's a little Indian blood in you after all.
Sure. I'll take the credit.
Well, let's finish what we started.
All right, all right. So, Nadine Ross.
Don't talk to me.
I was gonna say, you look good.
Was I not clear? What's that smell?
Oh, I'm sorry. I haven't exactly had access to running water and soap recently. All the people you could have brought with you.
She saved my ass more than once, you know.
You do remember that she also tried to kill Nathan and I many, many times.
And to be fair, you two tried to do the same to her.
Yeah, but that's not the point. The point is that the second we turn our backs, there will be a knife in there.
I can hear every word you're saying.
I know!
I trust her.
You know what? Fine. I guess I'm just a little bit irked that we are walking away with nothing. But I guess you know what that's like, right?
Oh, my...
Real classy, thank you.
Time and place, children.
More where that came from.
Bike racks after school.
Just hurry up.
That's ominous.
It appears the kings have one final test.
Looks like you won't be needing us, though, so we'll just be on our
On the
way.
contrary. Surely you know the story. You see, Shiva gave Parashuram a mighty axe that struck Ganesh in the face, bringing Shiva's son, one of the greatest of the gods, to his knees. Another casualty of war.
Don't.
Yeah, seriously, Chloe, he's just gonna kill him!
He's right. But if you refuse, you will watch them die, inch by inch.
All right!
Chloe, don't!
Okay, let's see what we got. Shiva and Parashurama. Parashurama and Ganesh. doing over here?
You'd better not be stalling.
Chloe, don't you give this schmuck what he wants.
Quiet.
Wait a minute. He's yielding.
It's going to fall.
Quiet!
Ganesh, quite an obstacle you've placed in my path.
What are you doing?
Shut up and watch. He yielded.
Huh?
Are you all right?
Yeah. That was unexpected.
Holy shit, she's got balls, huh?
I don't understand.
It's an idiot.
That's because you've got it all twisted, my friend. Ganesh allowed himself to be struck by the axe.
That makes no sense.
Not to a selfish prick, no. See, Ganesh could have defeated Parashurama easily. But if he had, that would have made Shiva's axe look weak, powerless.
Ganesh sacrificed himself to preserve his father's honor.
See, even she gets it, not a drop of Indian blood in her.
Magnificent, isn't it? Oh, what? Nothing to say now?
Oh, if you like, I can tell you where to stick it.
Well, my friends, I would love to kill you myself, but we must not anger the gods, for you have brought me a great fortune.
Okay, then what are you doing?
You're going to flood the chamber.
I will miss you.
Come on, is this really necessary?
You know, nothing is ever truly destroyed, only purified and reborn.
Just shoot us and get it over with.
Right?
As the water fills your lungs, you will have time to reflect on the choices that brought you here. Perhaps in your next lives, you will fare better.
Prick.
I don't know about you guys, but I got a lot of regrets swimming around in my head right now.
Tell me about it. I was really looking forward to kicking your ass again.
Hey, you know, I'm not exactly thrilled about drowning next to you either.
Could you give it a rest, guys? I'm trying to concentrate.
What are you doing?
A little preparation goes a long way.
Haha, yes!
Got it. Hold on.
Okay, now do me!
Coming! Ladies first!
Chloe, dear, not to rush you, but would you please hurry the hell up?
Take a deep breath!
Everyone good?
Waterlogged.
Doing great. I gotta quit smoking.
Down! Think they saw us?
Let's hope not.
How the hell did Asaf get that helicopter?
Maybe it's the buyers.
What do you mean?
Just overheard Asaf talking about heading to the old rail yard. Something about an arms deal.
He's selling the tusk.
So much for preserving his culture.
Hey, just a second. Listen, back there. Thanks for...
Professional courtesy.
Of course. So, are we good?
No.
I figured.
If we hurry, we can intercept them before they make the sale. Huh. And there's our ride.
These are nice.
There. Railroad tracks.
Stop here.
Asaf will have lookouts throughout the area. Best store on the side of caution.
Right. And then we lose the tusk.
You're welcome to stay behind
I'm
if you
just
like.
saying
All
that
right.
maybe...
Less talking, more walking.